How to turn off desktop site on YouTube mobile. The very first thing you want to do to turn off the desktop site on YouTube mobile is go ahead and open up the browser where you are using YouTube. Right now I'm using Google Chrome, but before you turn off the desktop site, you have to make sure that the open supported link option is not turned on your YouTube app. Head over to app info on YouTube and then click on set as default. From here, you are going to make sure that this is turned off. And once you have done that, you can head back to your browser or to your YouTube app where the desktop site is turned on. As you can see here right now, I can zoom in, zoom out of the pictures and thumbnails right here as if I'm using a laptop or a computer, as the name suggests, desktop site. But if you want to turn this one off, tap on the three lines at the top right. And then here, as you can see, the desktop site is now enabled. You just need to tap on it again to turn it off. It will take a quick refresh on the page. And now you can normally use YouTube as you do on your app. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.